Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Luxurious modern villa overlooking a serene ocean, nestled on a vibrant cliffside, emphasizing a harmonious blend of natural elements and contemporary architecture, hyperrealistic style, showcasing large glass walls allowing for panoramic views, infinity pool reflecting the clear blue sky, surrounded by lush tropical foliage in varying shades of green, accented by bursts of colorful flowers. Warm wooden textures used in the deck and interiors, soft sunlight casting gentle shadows, inviting. Modern villa overlooking the ocean, featuring a vibrant yellow exterior with terracotta roof tiles. The architecture reflects Mediterranean influences, with large arched windows and a spacious balcony. Surrounding the villa, lush greenery and colorful flower beds in shades of purple, pink, and orange blend harmoniously with the scenery. A crystal clear pool reflects the bright blue sky and fluffy white clouds, inviting relaxation. The setting includes a cliffside view, with gentle waves lapping at rocky shores in the background. Modern luxury villa surrounded by lush greenery, showcasing a blend of natural and contemporary design. The scene captures a serene evening atmosphere, with warm golden lighting emanating from expansive glass windows, illuminating the interior spaces. The exterior features sleek wooden deck areas with plush seating arrangements and an inviting swimming pool reflecting the vibrant foliage. The plants in the foreground are rich in textures and colors, ranging from deep greens to lighter hues, creating a harmonious balance with the warm tones of the villa. Soft, diffused light filters through the trees, enhancing the tranquil ambience. A modern, eco-friendly wooden house nestled in a lush, tropical forest during a gentle rain. The structure features large glass windows that reflect warm, inviting light from inside, accentuating the wooden textures. Green foliage surrounds the house, including large-leaved plants and tropical trees, creating a harmonious blend with nature. The house has a sloping bamboo roof fitted with solar panels, showcasing sustainable design. In the foreground, a tranquil pond mirrors the house, with a sleek wooden deck extending out, complemented by comfortable outdoor seating. A cozy outdoor living area featuring a vibrant orange stucco wall and a wooden beam roof adorned with lush green plants. In the foreground, a large woven pouf sits atop a richly patterned area rug, surrounded by a variety of potted plants. A large, comfortable white sofa adorned with orange and beige cushions invites relaxation. Light filters gently through large glass doors, revealing a warm and welcoming interior. The scene is set in a tropical environment, with natural sunlight casting soft shadows, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. A serene modern residence nestled within a lush tropical rainforest, showcasing an architectural blend of glass and dark wood, reflecting a harmonious integration with nature. The scene captures a misty atmosphere enhanced by soft, diffused lighting from the house's interior, casting warm golden glows against the cool greens of the surrounding foliage. The structure features multiple levels with expansive windows, revealing cozy, inviting living spaces filled with elegant furnishings. The foreground is adorned with vibrant tropical plants, including ferns and palms, while a tranquil water feature gently ripples, mirroring the beauty of the scene. A modern wooden house set in a lush tropical rainforest during twilight. The two-story structure features large glass windows that reflect warm, ambient light from inside, creating a cozy atmosphere. A spacious wooden deck extends from the house, overlooking a serene plunge pool. Surrounding foliage includes tall palms and dense greenery, with hints of soft lighting highlighting pathways and outdoor seating areas. The color palette combines deep greens and browns with warm, inviting golden hues from the house's interior lights. Luxurious courtyard setting with a rustic swimming pool at its center, surrounded by vibrant tropical foliage, including tall palm trees and lush green plants, warm terracotta tiles underfoot, inviting wooden lounge chairs positioned around the pool, a cozy hammock gently swaying in the corner, Spanish-style architecture featuring sun-kissed orange walls, intricately carved wooden balconies, and large windows that reflect the sunlight, soft blue water sparkling in the pool, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere in an impressionistic style, capturing the essence of relaxation and elegance in this intimate oasis. A lush, tranquil tropical retreat, hyperrealistic style, featuring a two-story wooden house surrounded by verdant greenery, showcasing elegant dark wood accents and large glass doors. The backyard boasts a serene swimming pool, reflecting the vibrant foliage, with wooden decking that invites relaxation. To the left, a cozy seating area with plush lounge chairs, adorned with navy blue cushions. A round table set for dining under a soft umbrella contrasts with the fresh greenery. A luxurious villa at Twilight, showcasing exquisite Italianate architecture with intricate stonework and expansive arched windows. The setting includes a perfectly manicured garden with vibrant greenery and blooming flowers surrounding a serene, reflective pool that mirrors the residence's warm, glowing lights. The sky transitions from a soft orange to deep dusk blue, enhancing the tranquil ambience. A picturesque yellow two-story house with a tiled roof, featuring balconies adorned with wooden railings. The setting is lush with tropical plants and vibrant flowers, including purple bougainvillea, lush green palm leaves, and various other colorful plants, creating a lively garden atmosphere. The scene is bathed in bright sunlight with soft, fluffy clouds in a clear blue sky. The house's warm yellow hues contrast beautifully with the rich greens and vibrant florals, evoking a cheerful and inviting ambience reminiscent of Impressionist art. A modern, minimalistic house designed with large glass windows, showcasing a seamless blend between indoor and outdoor living. The scene is set in a lush tropical garden, filled with vibrant greenery and strategically placed colorful flowers, particularly marigolds in orange and yellow hues.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.